Takže ahoj Júka. My by sme ti chceli zaželať všetko najlepšie k tvojim 16. narodeninám.
A k tvojmu sviatku ti venujeme našu semifinálovú pesničku, alebo semi-Milanovú, alebo Sefi Milanovú pesničku od Jessie J, Price Tag. Nobody's Perfect. A Marek tam aj zarepuje niečo zo svojej pesničky a tento rap už použil v ďalších dvoch.
Tento rap je tzv. Putovný rap. Júka, všetko naj, Jessie J, Nobody's Perfect. When I'm nervous, I have these things that I talk too much. Sometimes I just can't shut the hell up. It's like I need to tell someone, anyone will listen. That's what I seem to fucked up.
Yeah, I forget about the consequences. For a moment there I lose my senses. In the heat of the moment, my mind starts going, the words stop flowing. Oh,
But I never meant to hurt you. I know it's time that I learn to treat the people I love like a woman belong. This is a lesson learned, and I hate that I let you down. Man, I feel so bad about it, 'cause karma comes back around. Now I'm the one that's hurting, yeah. And I hate that I made you think that the trust we had's broken. Don't tell me you can't forgive me, 'cause nobody's perfect, no, 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 no,
nobody's perfect.
sa stalo, že nádej umiera ešte predtým, než je posledná. Zlatá cesta nemusí byť vôbec hentá prostredná. Kto neskúsi, ten nezistí, nepocíti, je neistý. Hlavný mlisty ako novembrové ráno nečistí.
Not the same,
Not the same,
not at all.
not at all.
What I did
wasn't cool, and I swear that I never do it again to you. Yeah, yeah. And I hate that I let you down, and I feel so bad about it, 'cause karma comes back around. Now I'm the one that's hurting, yeah. And I hate that I made you think that the trust we had's broken. Don't tell me you can't forgive me, 'cause nobody's perfect.